Hello, this is Dr. Warisa Khan. I am a consultant dermatologist in Germanten Hospital, Attapur. Today we will talk about vitiligo. So, vitiligo is a skin disease which occurs as a white patches. It may be restricted to one area of the body or it may be generalized in few patients. It is an autoimmune disorder and it is not contagious or spreadable disease. It can occur at any age group. Other conditions which can be confused with vitiligo are pityriasis alba, which is one kind of eczema. Pityriasis versicolor, it is a fungal infection. Idiopathic gutted hypomelanosis, it is an idiopathic condition. There are a lot of treatment options available for vitiligo, like medical options, phototherapy, and surgical treatment. So consult your dermatologist as soon as you think that you are developing any kind of depigmented or white patch onto your body. One advice I would like to give you is avoid vitamin C supplements if you are having vitiligo. Thank you.